To run a league for individuals rather than teams, you're going to want to set up a solo league. So to do that, we're going to head to our club admin page and then over to solo leagues from the performance section. We're going to create solo league to go through the process from the beginning. First thing we need to do is give it a name, which we can do. League admins if we want to add any. Sport and a registration deadline, we'll do end of the month. The primary scoring system if we want to give them another option. How many days in advance do we want players to be able to select if they're available or not? If we set it to 0, they can make all their selections right away. Do we want to hide participants from the public? And also the same question for the schedule once we've made it. Otherwise it's only going to be available for players in the league. So once we're happy with all our basic settings, we'll hit submit and that should create the league for us. So here we see our league main page. And if you run a team setup, it would be a bit similar in structure. But we're going to head up to the top of our admin menu and we're going to work our way down. So we'll begin with divisions. Of course, you can have as many as you want depending on how many people you're going to have signed up to this. We'll just create one to make it easy today. So we'll hit submit. The settings if we need to correct anything that we just did. Players once we've added them. And next thing down, we're going to go to schedule. Okay, so this is where we're going to add all the rounds of the league. I'm going to pick a night for it. Let's do our first one, July 5th. Availability cutoff. So when is the latest date someone can register and say they want to play? Well, we're going to want to set up the games. So we'll do it a couple of days before, perhaps the 3rd of July. Default club, well we know this is going to be our home club only. We're just doing this for members, to the division we set up. And it's going to be a regular round, not a knockout. Going to have a few regulars. So we'll hit submit. Great, so we can see we created one round and we can see how we would set up matches once we knew what players were available. We're going to finish creating the rest of the league's rounds right now. And then we're going to head over to player management and availability.